In this video, we'll be going over how to create a collection in Shopify. Go to products. You'll see collections here in the sidebar menu. Select collections. Go up to top right, click create collection, and you'll be given the create collection menu. For the purposes of the demo, we have one already created. Here you'll enter in the title. You can enter in the description. You can utilize the text box here to format it like a regular word processor. This will show up on the collection homepage. Scrolling down, you'll go ahead and add products by using the search products. You can browse to find the products you'd like to add, select the check boxes for the ones that you'd like to use, and then from there, using the drop down, you can have it be active and you'll see what sales channels it's on. If you'd like to remove it, you go ahead and select the X. Scrolling down, you can see how this collection will show up within your search engine listing, and you can use the edit tool to adjust the SEO with the meta description. You go up and select manage in the top right to view where this collection will be published for your online store and any other sales channels you may have. And then selecting a collection image where you'll select the image that will display both on cards across your website for when you display collections, and then the overall theme template that you want to select for when you're editing your online store in the theme editor. And then you can preview your collection by selecting view, and that'll take you to the actual collection page.
If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online. Keep working at your craft and building your business from the ground up.